So today what we're gonna do is set up a waterer for the pigs. We've got 3 little gilts, and we've got to set up a watering system for them that's automatic so that we don't have to continually keep bringing water out to them, which we don't mind doing, but automatic watering is a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. I ordered some of the automatic waterers from Amazon, and they're supposed to be in today, so we're kind of going to get everything prepared here. I'm getting a stand up. We're going to have this barrel up, and we'll put the barrel up so that we'll be in gravity feed. That's the best way to do it in my humble and correct opinion. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. Okay, we're going to check level on this. They look off, and I'm sure they are.
Very.
Yep. Oh mercy. All right, we need to adjust. So we're going to take these top levels off because it would be kind of silly trying to level all 3 levels. So we'll get the bottom level leveled, and then we will work on put the whole pile back up. Well, looks like we actually got it level, believe it or not. Looky there. Is that awesome or what? It's not perfect, but hey, it's close enough when
I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah, so there. Pick a brick, any brick.
Trying to get them to match.
I don't think they'll actually have to match perfectly as long as they're the same height.
Yeah.
That back row back there is kind of wobbling. Well, it'll hold it fairly well. Look at that strong He-Man picking up those big old blocks.
Okay.
Then we're going to put the barrel up. Now what we'll do with this barrel, it's got this used to be my filler tube whenever I had it hooked on with the chickens. This was the filler tube, and inside it has a float. I probably won't be using that. In fact, I know I won't. We could hook the hose up to it. On the other side of this barrel, I've got a faucet, but we won't be using that either unless we need it to get water while we're out here. But I'm going to come off of this with the PVC, and we'll put our little water out there. Now, our water has not come in yet. The water is actually coming, I don't know, UPS, I guess, today from Amazon. So I'm hoping they'll get it here fairly early so we can get all this set up. So we'll be ready when they get it here. But at this point in time, I don't know whether it's a 1/2 inch connection, 3/4 inch connection. I'm sure it's probably a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to kind of set it up initially for 1/2 inch, and we'll see how that works. It's not much trouble with PVC, so I'll get that done. As happens with almost every single time I ever do PVC, having the parts, I've got 1 million PVC parts, 1 million of them. Well, you know, maybe a little less, but every time I go to get something, I found the pipe. I've got plenty of pipe. Well, looky here, folks. The pig waterer came in today already, so I'm kind of excited because now I'm gonna go hook it up. Yeah, they both came in. We ordered 2 of them, so they both came in. So we'll just come over here and hook them up, and we'll try to show you how we're doing this in case any of you guys are interested in one of these. I bought these on Amazon. I don't remember exactly where on Amazon, but you know, you just put in pig water and they show up. Maybe I didn't get them through Amazon. I might have got them through that RV or RJ or RC. I don't know. Anyway, I'll let you know. Anyway, let's see if we can get this going. I've got to get my fittings, and sure enough, this is a 1/2 inch, and so we'll do this with a 1/2 inch, and I'm coming out with a 3/4, so we're in good shape. Now I need elbows. And I don't think I have any. So I'm probably gonna have to run into Sutherland's or somewhere close by to get some elbows. So frustrating. This is what happens. But that's life.
Hard up there.
Man, I need some really stout wire. Mm-hmm.
Are you going to tell us what you're doing there, Mr. Taylor?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna wire this little baby. I've already screwed it in here. I put 2 screws in to screw it onto this board. And then I drilled 4 holes on each side because about the only kind of mount we're gonna be able to do is here on T-posts. So what I'll do is run these wires through there, and then I'll tighten these wires up really nice around this T-post, and it should maintain its position pretty well. I think that'll be just about right. So anyway, that's what we're hoping to work, and I'll let you know if it doesn't.
They're black and fat, so
Yep, they need water.
Penny, what are you doing in the water bowl?
I was trying to close them in some batter there.
I almost did.
I know.
I hope. We shall see.
What are you saying?
Seeing.
What are you
if I
doing, Miss
don't have to
Charlotte?
glue it.
Oh, yeah?
Now I got this one on there so tight I can't get it off.
Babe, you're all muddy and wet.
I'm not all that muddy.
No, not you, babe. The babe girl behind
There's a
you.
different babe.
Mm-hmm.
How many of those channel locks there he left right there? But I think they will do. Maybe I'll
Baby,
switch.
don't get up too close to that.
Channel locks over here. She's gonna get her nose on that.
Mhm.
Get her surprised.
What is it, Charlotte? What is it, Charlotte?
Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. She's probably just wanting a belly rub. That would be my guess tonight if I was making. All right, looky there. I think we're ready. I did not glue anything because there's no real pressure on this. It's just going to be the weight of the water, so there's not any real pressure. So I didn't glue it. That way, if we have to move it, change things around a little bit, then we can. But it's all hooked up. Now we're going to fill the bucket with the barrel with water and see how it works. Have to train the pigs to it somehow.
When they get thirsty, I bet they learn.
Yep.
They seem to know where water is.
Yep. So we're going to fill the barrel up. We're going to see if my little contraption works. Hopefully it will, because I hate having to do things twice. Although I'm getting used to it. It's just that 3rd and 4th time that really irritates me. You know what I got to thinking too, that's going to be really hot, because a while ago I picked it up and it was really hot. So in the summer when it's really hot outside, that's going to really be hot. So we need to get some sort of a cover over this water.
Well, you could just do some.
Okay, good grief. We finally got it finished. Look here, folks. Guess what? You know how I said I just hate to have to do things twice? Well, guess what? I had to do things twice. I put it all together, stuck it all together, really shoved it in really hard. And I thought, well, there's no pressure on it. Not really a whole lot of water in it. It ought to be fine. No, it leaked. So, a little ticked off. Not too bad. You know, a little bit ticked off. So had to go to the store to get glue because my glue was all hardened up. So Sherry went and got me some glue. Now we're good to go. And it works. I say it works. I don't really know. We're not gonna put water in. I'm not gonna put water in it till in the morning. Simply because I don't want the water. And I know it's okay. I've done it a million times, but I'm not going to today. I am going to leave it alone till morning. They've got a little bit of water in their little pot over there. Well, I'll tell you, these girls started drilling holes whenever we got some water in there. So we're gonna try to make them a little wallow pit somewhere so that it doesn't mess up their entire pen. Anyway, hey guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you. I do wish you would, hope you would subscribe and share some of our videos with some of your friends who might be interested in some of these crazy things that we do. We hope we're giving you good content that you enjoy. And we do appreciate every comment that you make. So if you've got a comment, better way for us to do things, something else, please feel free to share and to comment. So thanks a lot. We love you guys. Appreciate you so much, and God bless.